No, I gotta do the right thing. Look at my flight plan. You know I'll be right back. I don't wanna fight. I can't speak with you tonight. Said I gave you a call, but I really got caught up. You know you're the source of the love in my life.
This verse goes out to the one that I'm missing. Out there somewhere, off in the distance. I'm counting down the days till I get to see her next. Sucks that I gotta talk to her through a text. To her in the same room and I can hold her to my chest. Cause I miss her laughing, I miss her scent. She's trying to understand but it's all she doesn't see. Everything that's going on during the daily with me. Tonight we got 2 gigs going back to back. Cause we're trying to do our best to put the crew on the map. If it doesn't pop off soon, it could be a rap. Don't wanna choose between the two and do this feeling trapped. I'm still holding everything down on my end. She inspires all the words that come out of my pen. And I say it wholeheartedly, no doubt in my breath. Let's enjoy what we have before we got no time left.
Up in bed again, mass stress, no threats to bending it, but probably some reticence. Tears lie in eyelids and silence is deafening. Body language represent the words that are never said. And the timing just couldn't be worse, cause I gotta put in work with the crew to rehearse. And I can't give the time that you truly deserve, and I risk having to leave you either human or hurt. Girl, understand it, please be patient. I know at times I leave in haste with these places. Realize the strain this thing is creating, but you by my side, it's when I feel safe. So when I take off, baby, let us make sure that we stay close and both of us stay strong till the moment comes. Then I can never wait for it, 'cause I don't wanna leave, but I gotta go.